Hello, Year 6. This is Mrs. Fleischer from Chadwell St. Mary. Hope you're all doing well. Well, this week you will be writing your newspaper report. And as part of that, we would like to encourage you to use the past perfect tense in your reports. So this is a short video to help you with how to form the past perfect tense. Okay. So looking on your PowerPoint, the past perfect tense actually helps you convey an accurate sequence of events by linking points specifically in time. Now, this means that the past perfect tense describes an event that was completed in the past before something else happened. So this is very apt and really good for you to use during your the writing of your newspaper report. For example, we were relieved we had taken an umbrella before the rain started. Now, the past perfect tense ties the sentence to a specific point in time. For example, another example is, I had walked the dog by the time my mom got home from work. Now, it describes this event that was completed in the past before something else happened. So you had walked the dog by the time your mom got home from work. So that had already, the walking of the dog had already happened before your mom got home from work. So like I said before, the past perfect tense helps you to describe an event that was completed in the past before something else happened. Now, how to form the past perfect tense? Well, usually you would start with your noun or your pronoun, add the verb had before your past participle of the verb. So your pronouns could be I, we, you, he, she, it, or they. And then you need to add your past tense verb had before your past participle. So it could be had gone, had seen, had told, had written. So any of these go with it. So long as it's in the past perfect tense, you need the verb had before your past participle. So here are some examples. After Sophie had finished her work, she went to lunch. After Sophie had finished her work, she went to lunch. Now, can you identify the past perfect tense or the past perfect verb in this sentence? Well, I'm hoping you can, because it would be the verb had finished. Okay, so after Sophie had finished her work, she went to lunch. Or I washed the floor when the painter had gone. So floor, I washed the floor when the painter had gone. Okay, so something you had done before something else happened. So you had washed the floor before the painter left the house. Another example is Harold had known about it for a while. So Harold had known, okay, about it for a while. And then last example, by the time Doris got to the party, everyone had gone home. So in your newspaper report, if you attempt, and I've given you some examples on there to support this work, but if you can attempt to use the past perfect tense, that would really help with your writing. For example, the schools or UK schools had closed before they suggested that key workers' children could attend. So had closed. Okay, so remember, it has to be the verb had with the past participle of the verb before the rest of the sentence. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to use this in your newspaper report, and it'll be great to see them. Okay, all the best and good luck.